So hey guys, hello and welcome to HS Academy, advancing HS profession through awareness. So guys, in today's video we are going to learn about how you can verify any of the individuals who are claiming that they are holding any of the BCSP credentials. So before going on to this topic, if you are visiting to our channel first time, then kindly subscribe it, which is absolutely free for all. So guys, the problem is that lots of guys are there, okay, on the daily basis they are telling that they are using ASP CSP designations after their name, okay, and they're claiming that they are holding such credentials, okay. So our youngsters, especially in our country, youngsters, they don't know how they can verify these guys who are claiming that he or she is holding any of the credentials, okay. So in today's video I'm going to give you a tutorial about that, how you can verify these people with live proof on live demonstration, okay. So afterwards you will not be get any problem when any of the guy will be telling you how you can verify them, okay. So this particular video is going to be very informative for you. So basically, let me introduce some credentials with you, first of all by BCSP. After that it will be easy for you to understand that. So see, as we know that BCSP means Board of Certified Safety Professionals Organization, okay, which is a US based organization which is certifying, basically giving the credentials to the safety professionals who demonstrate their knowledge in front of any certification. So basically there are lots of certifications which is provided by BCSP, like ASP, CSP, SMS, CHST, OHST, CIT, okay, STS, STSC. So these are some of the credentials which is provided by BCSP, okay. So when you obtain such credentials, you will have the access to use such credentials after your name. For example, your name is XYZ, so you can use any of these credentials if you hold that credential, as well as maintain these credentials, pay the renewal fees after your name. But some guys are there who don't know about these credentials, okay. When some individual came in front of him and he don't have any credentials, and telling him that I am holding any of the credentials, claim that I have this of the credentials, then our youngsters, those who don't know about these credentials and don't know how to verify such directly, they got misleading information from these guys. So in today's video we are going to cover all these aspects, how you can identify these guys, okay. So let's directly go to the mobile screen and I'll tell you how you can identify these guys and check their respective credentials. So let's get straight to the screen. Okay, fine guys, now we are on our mobile screen. So step by step I'll tell you how you can identify any credential of any individual who is claiming that he or she is holding any one of the BCSP credentials. Okay, first of all, what you need to do is you need to click on Google Chrome. As you can see there, one Chrome is there, you need to click over there. After clicking on the Chrome, you will be having the interface like that. You need to type over there BCSP, okay. After typing BCSP, you will be having again the interface like that. So first of all, you need to click on that first option, Board of Certified Safety Professionals. After clicking on that, you will be having the interface like that. So in the top, you can see that in adjacent of the My Profile, there will be three horizontal lines. You need to click over there. After getting click on that, you will be first option Credentials is there. So just click on that. After this, you will be having second option, that is Resources, okay. Just go there and click over there, Resources. In the Resources, you have the last option of the Credentials section, that is your Credential Holder Directory, okay. Just click over there. Okay, fine, now we have reached our destination, but not fully, okay. So after clicking on that, you will be having the interface like that. What you need to do over there is you just zoom it, and in the last you can see here 55,837. It means 55,837 people are there who are at the present stage when I'm recording this video are holding BCSP credentials, okay. Now one by one we cannot identify them because it will take a huge time, because 55,837 is a very big number, okay. So what you can do over there is in the last you can see one interface like that, okay. So if you have sufficient details or even the name of that guy who is claiming that I have any of the BCSP credentials, you just type over there, okay. Whenever you will type, just his name will come in the site. In this section it will come, okay. In the name section it will come. If that particular name is not coming, it means there is something wrong. Either you have typed that guy's name is wrong, or he is or she is not holding any of the credentials, okay. For example, I want to see any of the BCSP credentials of any of the guys who are mentioned over there. For example, we are taking one example of Mr. Nishant sir, Okay, he's from Trivandrum, India. So just I have to click over there is view profile. Okay, so here we can see the clearly profile of sir. Here it is written that he have a TSP, Transitional Safety Practitioner. This particular badge he is holding. Okay, and the important information about this, about sir, is given over there. Okay, so it means the sir who is claiming that he have TSP is genuine. Okay, now we can go on back and see further details about that. Okay, fine. So like that you will get the name of all the guys who are holding such credentials. There are CSPs also, STS also, SMS also, OHSTs also. For example, again, there are some guys who are holding multiple credentials. For example, here Abbott Mr. Bill F. Sir from United States of America. Okay, he is holding 2 credentials. First is SMS Safety Management Specialist and second is Construction Health and Safety Technician. So if I want to see his profile, I will just click on View Profile. Okay, again sir's profile came here. Okay, important information about his examination as well as about him is given over there. Recertification cycle, NC accredited by NC, expiration date and all. Okay, so like that how it works. Okay, again guys, so this is how you can identify these credentials. Again, if you have proper information about that guy, even the proper name who is claiming that he or she is holding any of the credentials, then you can just type over there first name and all, it will directly came. Okay, so guys, this is the full analysis of this topic, that how you can identify any of the guy who are claiming he or she is holding any credentials. So if you like this video, press the like button as well as share with your friends so they can also be benefited from this video. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day, stay blessed, stay safe. Thank you.